Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the best roof for a property management company. So say you own a hotel, an apartment complex, a strip mall, place along those lines. What's the best roof, for you? Really, it depends on what the current condition of the roof is and what your goals are. So the current condition of your roof, it really depends on how much saturation is in the roof's insulation. So underneath the roof membrane, most roofing systems have insulation there to keep the heat in, keep the cool in, etc. But if it's over 25% saturated, your best bet is probably to rip it off and install a new roofing system. It's just the roof is too far gone and you don't want a cookie cutter Frankenstein roof kind of. But talk to roofing contractors, they might tell you differently and give you better explanations why. But if over 25%, rip it off. If it's under 25%, it's probably more cost effective to do some spot repair and put a new roofing system over top. And two roofing systems that are good for that are spray foam and silicone roof coating systems. And certainly you can learn more of those on our website or through other videos. How difficulty of the roofing installation can affect, what's the best roof for a property management company. If your roof has a lot of HVAC units, firewalls, pipes, skylights, just anything that's in the way of a roof installation, you're better off going with a fluid applied system such as spray foam or silicone roof coatings, because it's easy to go around those penetrations. As opposed to like a single ply or a metal roof, every time they have to go around them, they have to do flashing details, they have to use sealants. There's a bunch of just custom cutting that needs to happen to go around those penetrations, and it takes a lot of time. It's just not a good thing. You have all these extra pieces going into it. It's just more probability for a leak. You're better off just doing a fluid applied seamless system. That way you don't got to worry about that. And the last thing, lifetime cost. Your property management company, you're probably planning on being in business for a long time. So you want to look at, your roofing expense for 50 years down the road. A spray foam roof, for example, it could be renewed over and over again for 1/2 to 1/3 of the original cost of installation, as opposed to a single ply roof or a metal roof. Once that lifespan is over, you got to rip it all off and put a new one on there, which will cost 100% of what it cost when you initially installed it. So I know it's a little difficult to understand there, but there's more details in our blog post below. Please click the link to learn more. Hope you learned at least one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Goodbye.